Hey guys, my name's Dustin from U-Haul. I'm going to show you how to put a hitch on your Nissan Rogue. It can take you to a lot of fun places, haul your bikes, cargo carrier, or even tow a trailer. Let's go ahead and get started. You will need the tools seen here to complete your installation. We're going to start by removing this plastic panel right here. You have 4 clips on it. We have one here, 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 and then on the back side underneath. The front 3 are a push pin style pin, and the back one is a Phillips head. And we'll remove the driver's side the same way. Now we're going to remove your tow hook, which is right here. You have 4 bolts on it, 2 up on the top and 2 up right up underneath the bottom. Let's go ahead and remove those now. So on the passenger side, you have 2 attachment bolts, which are here and here. And then on the driver's side, you have 3, which is up here, in the middle, and at the back. The instructions say to lower the exhaust if you want a little bit more room. But we can show you how to do it without lowering the exhaust. Now we're ready to put our hitch into place. I'm going to be using the U-Haul exclusive hitch jack to put it in. And when you're putting this in, you want to angle it up just enough to clear the exhaust. Now we're ready to put the bolt and the conical washer in. There is the 19 socket. Always make sure the teeth are up. And now we're going to move to the passenger side. Okay, now we're ready to torque it down to manufacturer specification. And repeat on the driver's side. All right, with our hitch installed, we pulled it down off the ramps onto level ground so we can get some measurements that you need. So this is a 2-inch hitch receiver. From the pinhole to the end of the bumper is 5 inches. From the ground to the top of the receiver is 14. This will help you determine the length, rise, and drop for your hitch accessories such as bike rack and cargo carrier. Hey, thanks for watching. Stay safe and have fun. If you have any questions about the products seen in this video or would like to schedule an installation with a U-Haul Hitch Professional, visit us online today at uhaul.com.